What up YouTube? So I've had a lot of people ask me how I curl my hair, especially because of the previous video I did, as well as a look I did a couple weeks ago or even a month ago I think. So I kind of wanted to share that with you guys. I don't do hair tutorials on here. I don't think I've ever done a hair tutorial on here, but I actually love hair. So before makeup, I loved doing hair. Even though it's not something I really put on this channel, I kind of do still play around with hair just a bit. As in styling it, I don't really color it or cut it. So now my hair is washed, so I am gonna blow dry it. But if you want to see how we go from this to this, then just keep on watching. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair real quick. When I blow dry my hair, I like to use warm, and I usually do high, and yeah. Oh, wrong button. Kind of really see like the hair loss that I'm experiencing is called like a crowning hair loss. As you can see, it's like hair that I've lost in here. Although it's not completely bald, it's looking pretty sparse. If you look at my head straight on, you can kind of see that hair is not full up here. I don't have any bald spots. I just have it kind of disappearing. It's kind of scary, honestly, because I'm still combing out so much. Wow, I just look like a pool on my hair and nothing is coming out. It's just strands. They're just falling. Speaking of hair, I purchased this and I'm taking it. Today is the first day I took it. This is called Halo Beauty. This is by Tati. Of course, you guys are probably familiar with her. I watched her video kind of talking about the ins and outs of her product line, what she's occurred from it, because it's been launched for quite a while. And it kind of convinced me just to buy it. It is Hair, Skin, and Nails Booster. So not only did I purchase it to help with the hair growth, hair loss, we will see changes in my skin in about 30 days. That is how we are improving hair so far. I honestly hope that one, it kind of cures the hair loss so that not so much hair is falling out, but I also hope to see regrowth. But hair is blow dried. I am going to spritz my hair. I'm going to use Garnier Fructis Flat Iron Protector Perfector. This is for flat ironing, but any kind of heat you put on your hair, it's just really going to protect it. So I'm lightly going to spray it through, just because in this product itself, it has like a sleek look to it. So it's really going to make your hair look really oily. And then I just kind of zhuzh it. When I curl my hair, I work in sections. So I'm going to section off. So I put it up in a quick little bun, and I like to work on the bottom section first. So I take about this much hair. I would feel like is about what? Like 1 inch, 2 inches. Let me turn on my curling iron first before we just get started. I am using a Conair 1 to 1/4 inch curling iron. So it has a power button to turn it on, and then it also has like a turbo. I think that just makes it hotter quicker. So I turn both on, and I have it at about a 17 right now. Do that according to what you do. As you can see, the red light is blinking right now. I'm just gonna grab that section of hair, and for this one I like to curl in, which is towards my face. So I'm gonna take the barrel and I'm just gonna put it on the inside of my hair, wrap my hair around it, and let it sit. I'm gonna switch off on the direction of the curls. That's what's really gonna make it look messy, but also the size of the barrel makes the curl really big so that it looks more natural. So I just hold it here for about 10 seconds, and then I'll let it out. Definitely something I love about curly or short hair is how quick this takes. And I feel like when I curl my hair, I have so much more volume. So now, I'm just gonna take a bit more, and this side, or this amount, I'm gonna curl it away from my face. So I'm gonna go behind, and just, now I'm gonna switch it off. Okay. The more longer you hold your hair in the heat, the more curlier it's gonna be. So also, if you take a big chunk of hair, it's gonna be hard to curl just because it's a whole lot of hair that the heat has to go through. Taking small sections and just working in that way will definitely be quicker because the heat can travel through the hair. I'm just gonna curl the whole bottom section and then we will go to the top. Now as you can see, we took down the top half and now we are curling. So the first piece, I like to curl it away from the face. These are pieces that will be surrounding my face and I don't want to crowd it up too much. And I didn't brush out my curls or anything like that. I kind of let it cool down and then I will go through with my fingers and kind of comb it out. Not a curl. And I don't want it to be super curly, like this waved kind of look I love. And I also love to mix it. So some I'll hold pretty long just to develop the curl, and then some I'll hold pretty short. We're just gonna go out. Just be safe. Even if you're confused as to like, should it go in, should it go out, going out is like the safest bet, especially for the top half. Now I'm just going to kind of venture to the back. I'm going to curl this one in. We just wrap it, hold it. So as you can see, if you don't hold it for too long, you won't really get a curl. So I'm just going to redo this one. A little bit longer. There we go. So now we have a curl. Lately, I've been parting right down the middle, and I'll curl the hairs away from the face according to the side that they're on. I honestly do this just because I play with my hair a lot when it's curly. Sometimes, ouch, I'm just getting it today. Alright, so this is all the curls we have. So if you don't touch it, this is how your curls will look. So I actually don't like it like this. Where did you come from? Look at this. I'm gonna work on this side first just because it feels pretty cool. I'm just gonna start running my hands through like so and just start to break up the curl. So once I've gotten both sides pretty fluffed out, because once you get your hands going in them, they're gonna be pretty fluffed out. This is when I start to play with it. So I will continue to play with it. If I want more volume like that, I kind of just play with it. I don't tease my hair. I have tried and I honestly suck at it, but I just play with it. I just let it be it. Whatever form it takes, whatever it looks like. If I like it, I'll mess around with it, flip it back. That is how I curl my hair. And I like the size of the barrel that I use just because it makes it look big, it's more natural. Especially for short hair, it just really looks nice. I really hope that was super easy for you guys. I mean, it's super easy. If you guys have any more questions that I may not have touched on this video, just leave them down below and I will gladly answer them for you. If you want to see more hair videos, let me know. Yeah. If you want to see how to style short hair, I do have a few ways that I like to style my hair. Especially with it being short, I feel like hairstyles are limited, but they're not. Actually, if you want to see a tutorial, an in-depth tutorial on this look, it will be up on Friday. It's mostly just the eyes that is pretty in-depth. It is inspired by Nikki Tutorials, so definitely stay tuned for that. If you want to keep up with me elsewhere, I am on my social medias right here. You will definitely find me here. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It would mean so much to me. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next one.